I remember people used to ask me like, how do I whiten my teeth? Story of my life. Now the secret is out. This is it, guys. This is it. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to this channel, welcome. My name is Barbara and I'm a US based Cameroonian YouTuber, and today I'm gonna be sharing with you guys how I whiten my teeth. First of all, I'm a coffee drinker. I drink coffee daily, a cup of coffee daily, and I drink it sometimes black and sometimes I use cream. But the disadvantage of drinking coffee is the fact that it leaves your teeth brown. So I have the brown type of coffee teeth. It leaves your teeth brown, so you might look at my teeth now, it's kind of brown from drinking coffee. And I try to do this like at least once a week or maybe twice a week, but every time I drink coffee I go do my regular brushing of my teeth, and share with you guys how I manage to keep my teeth white even though I'm a coffee drinker. So to all my coffee drinkers out there, if you want to keep your teeth white, continue to watch this video. I'm going to show you guys first the things I'm going to be using right here, and we're going to jump straight into the video. So first things first, I'm going to be using a sieve, and I just have this bowl, and the main ingredient right here is ash, like Ash's fire. We call it Ash's fire because this is something I've been using, like I used to use back home back in the days. It was really effective for my teeth. So yeah, you know, I'm a village girl. I grew up in the village, so we had to make things work, and we always come up with the best things that really do the job. So yeah, it's ash, and I got this out of my grill from charcoal. You can get it like from wood, charcoal, so it's kind of like charcoal, but Ash's fire. Please let me know the name, ash. So anyways, I have that, and I have my lemon here and a nice lemon squeezer because we need that. And I have the bamboo charcoal toothbrush. This is really good for this process. So yeah, you can get this at the Dollar Tree. So this is where I got mine from because it's more expensive at Walmart. And I'm just going to be using my regular toothpaste that I use. Is the Scope Crest Complete. So this is the one I'm going to be using. So let's jump straight into it. I think those are all the things I need for this video. So first things first, I'm just gonna use the sieve. Get my phone out of the way. I'm gonna use this sieve right here to like get and that's that. This is good enough. So yeah, next I'm gonna cut up because I need some lemon juice. I'm just gonna cut up some lemon. See that juice? So I need that. I'm gonna open up my brush. So I'm just gonna add with this, I'm gonna add it reacts like baking soda, like I don't know if you could hear like bubbly. You see that? That's how it reacts when you add it to the lemon. So I'm just gonna use the other side of the, I don't want it to be too watery, so this is good. So next I'm gonna just pour some of the toothpaste. I use like different toothpaste, So it doesn't matter the kind of toothpaste, I'm just gonna mix it. And this has been working for me really well. See that? That's how it looks, like the charcoal toothpaste. So I'm just gonna wash this off and I'll come back. So I'm back, guys. So after preparing this, we're gonna go ahead and brush our teeth right here. And I want to wet my brush. I'll insert a picture because now the light is there. It's not gonna give you like the actual view of it, so I'm gonna insert a picture so you see. So this is it. Again, let's brush. So I'll go ahead and rinse my mouth now and I'll come back. Feeling fresh already. Let me take an after picture with my phone so you guys will be able to see proper, because see that? Oh my gosh, feels so good. So it doesn't end there. So I'm just, after doing that process, I'll just go ahead and brush my teeth regularly because I couldn't use that on my tongue. So I'll just go ahead and brush my teeth regularly, and that's it for the video. Yeah, when I get off the video, I'll just go ahead and brush my teeth. But that's it. If you find this helpful, let me know in the comment section below, or if you already knew about this, or if you're gonna try this, let me also know in the comment section below. And if you also find it helpful, please give it a thumbs up. It's very simple for you to do, so try it at home and get your teeth whitened. Beautiful smile. Ding dong. I love to smile. Thank you all so much for watching. I appreciate you guys so very much for all your love and support, and to all my new subscribers, hey. Catching my photos where you go, every corner twice as bright. They'll be my treasures forever. When I can't hold you tight, I'll see the Stockholm lights, the Stockholm lights, the Stockholm lights.